What's going on? Thank you guys for joining me in this video today. So if you saw my Thanksgiving feast extravaganza day vlog, make sure that you check it out if you haven't. But I'm sporting this look for Thanksgiving and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the vibe. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another one. And that's it. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Peace, love, positive vibes. Enjoy this video. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you're feeling it. What's up? Enjoy. 5 months later, this is where we're at. This is what my hair looks like. If I do not wet it or do anything to it, this is how it looks. Crazy, right? But we'll talk about that in a video I will be creating for you soon to let you know all you need to know about hair growth. So I already added leave-in conditioner and I also added some styling cream when I was in the shower. 2 products. One, the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner, and the other was by Texture ID styling cream. I will definitely review the Texture ID styling cream if you guys want, so leave me a comment down below. Right now what I'm doing is just pretty much splitting my hair in half and I'm working with one side at a time. This is just the easiest way to do it. So of course I have to style on damp hair because if my hair is dry it will just take forever. So I'm just brushing it in and I'm going to be using some rubber bands. If you ever use rubber bands for your hair, make sure you dip them in oil first. You do not want to cause any breakage. So as you saw, I parted the first section. I'm brushing it and I'm adding some Gots to Be spray. This right here is definitely a lifesaver for my short TWA, especially on the sides, which you know are really short. So making sure that I spray it down, brush it, and then put it up in a rubber band, that is what is going to help, in that order, keep this style in place. Now once I'm officially done with this style, what you can do is add a satin scarf to make sure that the style stays in place and it just stays slicked down. You don't need to leave it on for like 20 minutes. You can leave it on for a good 5 to 10 and you'll be good. And if you have very short hair, it's very important for you to just put away the hair that you're not using, because if you just leave it out, there's a big chance that all of it will hug each other and all the hard work you did when parting your hair will go out the window. So as you can see, I'm just going to be repeating the exact same steps over and over. The most important thing is to make sure that when you secure it with the rubber band, you are securing it in alignment with the first parting you did, just so that the FroHawk can be nice and even when they fall. Now don't even worry about the sides. If you don't want to slick it up with some free spray, you can get creative. You can add some twists, you can add some links, like link all of the hair together with rubber bands and make it like a nice linking chain. You can definitely do different styles. So just, you know, let it free flow, let your creative juices go and try something different. You will see the transformation. So just wait on it. Done. The only thing I'm going to do is try to pin this right here with just like a bobby pin, literally in no direction to be exact, but I wanted my curls to pop right here. And I know that there's like, you know, a chunk of hair missing right here, but I mean, what can you do? You want to make sure that you blend it. This is going to be a little flat right now, but once it dries it will puff up and then I can pick it. But ultimately I am done And I think it's cute, you know, that you can still see the bobby pins here and there. There's nothing wrong with that. The hair is growing. I'm able to put it up, I'm able to slick the sides down and it looks like something, you know what I mean? So I'm about to do my makeup and I will come back and show you guys the finished look. And I am back. My makeup is done. A little bit of mascara, a little bit of eyeshadow, a little bit of highlighter, and a mix of lipstick and lip gloss. And this is what my hair looks like. I'm super happy with it. This time I did two sides, and last time I did one. I love that I did two because now I just have more, how do I say it? There's more length width-wise, and I love that. So it's a little on the shrunken side. It doesn't have too much volume, but I'm okay with it right now. I love having the bobby pins there actually and not hiding it because it just adds to the look. If you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you guys leave me a thumbs up. Make sure that you guys leave me a comment. Peace, love, positive vibes. Thank you for watching.